Hi guys, today we are going to review Zhiyun Smooth 4. Let us unbox the gimbal first. Wow, this gimbal comes with a good case. I love this case a lot. I brought a white color gimbal. The overall finishing of the gimbal is very nice. This package contains a gimbal, a USB charger and a tripod. Let us explore all the features of this gimbal. In order to use the gimbal, place your smartphone between the clamp and make sure it is balanced. You can unlock the dial and make micro adjustments until your phone is balanced. Now power on the gimbal by holding this button. The red button here on the gimbal is for recording, and this button will take a photo. The bottom button of the wheel will allow you to access the album. This button is for switching between zooming and focusing. You can use this wheel for zooming and focusing. This button will switch between front camera and back camera. Top button of the wheel will bring video resolution option. Right button of the wheel will bring exposure controls. If you want to access more options, click on menu button and click on the button to go back. By default, we are in PF mode. It means pan follow mode. PF mode follows only left and right movement. By switching to L, you are in lock mode. Now your gimbal is locked in one direction. It means it will not follow your left or right, nor up or down movement. On the back of your gimbal, you see two triggers. If you hold the bottom one, it will be in following mode. In this mode, it follows in left, right, up and down movement. If you want to reposition, just double tap the down trigger. If you hold the top trigger, you will be in phone go mode. It means it allows you to quickly move your phone in any direction. That's it for the video. See you very soon. Take care.
Yeah.